Hi, this is Malini. Let's take a look at some cacti and succulent arrangements in different shaped containers. This is a nice sort of a faux wood rectangular box with a variety of succulents, and I love this container because it gives you that option for someone who has limited space, especially if you're living in an apartment and you only have like a small balcony. This is great for outdoors, or if you want to put it indoors, you put it near on a windowsill or near a bright window that has good air circulation. And this could last for many years. Actually, could last for a couple years in this container or more. And I would just basically take it all out and then redo it and put it in a new container. And then change the soil so you have fresh soil. So this will last about a couple years in this container, but the plants will continue to grow. See all those beautiful colors here that complement this nice container here, this kind of rectangular wooden shaped container. Here we have a cactus arrangement, and this is more of a shallow pot. See, so you can tell the difference. This is a shallow container, and here we have a container that is rectangular in shape and a little more narrow for those limited spaces. This one will require a little more space. We put it on a pedestal to really set and elevate this nice arrangement. Here we have a lot of beautiful and colorful cacti that complement each other. This, of course, would be great outdoors in either in full sun or filter light. Water about once a week. Here we have other containers here. So we have another Lobo container, more beige, more natural, with beautiful rosette-shaped succulents and other succulents that are really nice complement to these echeverias. Here we have a nice festive-looking bowl. Red really goes with everything. It goes with during the holidays, Valentine's Day, or any occasion. Here we just made this beautiful garden with lots of succulents would give you height. We have a Christmas cactus. We have an Echeveria shaviana, which is a nice center plant. See this Lobo here? It's a little deeper, but this also is great for outdoors. See, we have different shapes here. Nice red ceramic bowl. We have a Lobo here, and a more shallow container. Here's a pretty Christmas wreath. I have a lot of videos on how to that showcase the Christmas wreath. I have a do-it-yourself video, like it's a DIY video on showing you how to make your own Christmas wreath. Here I just place a simple candle in the center, or you can also hang it as well. See, we have another container here. This is in a different color. Again, this is a rectangular shape. This gives you a nice idea if you want to put some, let's say, cacti instead of succulents, and you can put this indoors or outdoors. Again, people who have limited space, this is a great container to have. Here you have handmade, interesting looking curvy shaped container, and here I just paired different kinds of succulents that have shallow roots. So this is great for on a windowsill with bright sunlight, water about once or twice a month, or outdoors in filter light and water about once a week. So I just wanted to give you an idea of the different shaped containers and designs that we have here. Thank you for watching.